Alright, so first time using 20% wood. Who said you could melt wood? That's pretty cool. So it's going pretty good. It's a little rough, that's just the inside, so hopefully it'll be okay. But yeah, I manually tuned it back and forth, and what I ended up doing is going about 130% or 130 feed rate, whatever that is. So 30% more. And I don't know if that's in percentage, it's just a value. And I'm cranking 230 degrees. So it's my little Ender 3. And this does have the 4.2.7 silent upgraded board in it. And then it's got the latest Marlin 2.1 point something bug fix. So bleeding edge firmware. And using Cura. So it's turning out pretty good. It's just the first one that's had any real success, so I've kind of gotten excited, went ahead and did a 3-unit slice, so that'll be next. Will it run by itself for a couple hours? 3 hours, I think, almost. So, I don't know, I might run a test with extreme speed. These items would be okay if they're a bit rough, actually. It might even be appealing. We'll play around with that. What's he doing? What's he doing? What's he printing? Oh, I'll show you. Pretty tricky. Pretty cute. Semi-practical. Nobody needs this, but it'll be cool.